What's going on, Russell? What's going on, M. Benner? What's going on, Lolly? Alright, let me get everything set up here, and then I'll be ready to go. Today's day 225. Let's see here. A $4.8 thousand day. Oops, today is the 4th, so we got to get that going. Boom there, and then we got to change that up. What's going on, Dougie? What's going on, Park? What's going on, Cormier? What's going on, Manuel? What's going on, guys? Hopefully you had a great trading day out there. Today's 4.8K. There's that. Okay, perfect. Alright. Yeah, hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Definitely a very slow day, nonetheless, but still opportunities out there. I am live. As always, can you guys please like and subscribe to the channel? Click the icon later for making new videos. I'd really appreciate that. Smash that subscribe button. Subscribe. If you're watching this recorded, I really appreciate that. Fannie Mae is a new CEO, I think. I'm live going over today's 4.8K trading day. Okay, there's that. Post that there, then go over here. Boom, done. Small caps, boom, done. Options alerts. Then you gotta go on social media quick. Hopefully you guys are having a great trading day out there. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day out there. Good to have you on. Good to have you in, guys. Today has been a crazy day in the election world, and it affects the markets. And the markets just took off the second day in a row that we've seen the markets just absolutely take off. KNDI was another one. XPEV and Sava. And I gotta go like this so I can mark it down on my phone. Screw that up. Okay, and I go Control V. There's that picture. Today is let's see here. Oops, sorry about that. Right now I'm short Qualcomm. Guys. Currently in a live short. Alright. There's that. Should be good to go there. Live going over 4.8K day. I love setting everything up. Not really. It's a joke. The growth, what's going on? Alright, what's going on the growth broker? What's going on Nikki? What's going on Zian? What's going on Leslie? Alright guys, so we're live here at normacnoltrading.com. So I'm going to scroll through my trades quick here, so that way you guys can have them. They're recorded on YouTube here. That way you guys can see. Good to have you guys on. Good to have you guys in, guys. Today was an opportunistic day, especially if you're trading the markets. The markets were absolutely incredible to the upside and the downside. Plenty of volatility, but I'm scrolling through my trades today. Those of you guys who are not watching me on TikTok, go to my YouTube. KM the Man is my YouTube. KM the Man is my YouTube. Feel free to check all this out. You guys can see I shorted this morning. I shorted the SPY, made about $3,000 shorting the SPY today. Or I'm sorry, did I long the SPY? No, I shorted it. What's going on, Diego? NACD I finally got out of. I was swing trading that one for multi-day and just didn't like it. I can use my capital better somewhere else. KNDI, scalped it. Nothing crazy on that. And then APVO is basically the took a couple of wins on APVO. Qualcomm, I'm currently short on that one. Qualcomm's high right now is 148.37. I'm holding my short from 146.13. If it breaks through the highs, I'll be rather impressed. It basically did a blow-off top, and I'm just holding my short. DNK is one that I'm watching into tomorrow. Those of you guys who see this. So first off, Qualcomm, let's pull this up here. I mean, look at this. This thing is so overextended. Straight up, pullback, straight up, pullback, straight up, pullback, straight up, pullback, straight up, pullback. I mean, I don't know how much farther this thing can go. My short's right about there with that white line. I mean, I'm trying to cover somewhere in the 143 range, I believe. I think we can get there. It kind of reminds me of BIIB. This thing went straight up, pull back, straight up, and then, you know, I had to short it with 352. I shorted it a little too early, just like I did there. But I covered it pretty much break even just because I didn't want to hold through the stress of that. Qualcomm, though, I have a little more confidence in. If this breaks through the highs, I mean, it is what it is. This is just trading. Luckily, my size isn't crazy. I mean, it's pretty big, but in relative to the P&L and stuff like that, it's not that crazy. But yeah. And then APVO, I'll go over a couple trades on APVO that I made today. So APVO, watch this thing kind of come up, and then, let's see, I scalped this move in here, so I actually longed, let's see, where was it that I longed it? Oh, I longed this move right here, and then sold off right in this candle, and then I longed APVO again. Where was it? Yeah, it was on this candlestick. I longed it literally on this 1 minute candlestick. You go back and look through my buys and sells that I scroll through on eTrade Pro. You can see that I definitely went long that one at about 1588 average, and then I sold it literally immediately at 1665-ish range. Was not expecting that huge squeeze up. I mean, I was, but I didn't, you know, as soon as that thing ripped, I was like, okay, I'm out. Like, that was a quick payout. That was literally, like, less than, like, 10, 15 seconds, and I got paid a couple $1,000, so I was out. After hours, I took a little loss in that sell-off, and then I relonged it literally right in this candlestick here with 1,000 shares. Wish I would have done more. I kept watching it. We had a nice double bottom there, or actually it was a triple bottom there at 1626. So I saw that, and then I saw this thing perk, and I went long it, and then I sold off once we broke above the highs, about 1830, 1840 range on APVO, and that was my last trade on that one. See how Qualcomm's doing. So Qualcomm should jam here. Yeah, there we go. Nice little jam on Qualcomm. I'm looking for a 144 cover here, guys, on Qualcomm. DNK, I am live on Qualcomm. I usually don't go live trades, but it doesn't matter with Qualcomm. It's so liquid and so thick, you guys can't really piggyback it anyways. DNK, guys, this is a textbook what I call bottom bounce, kind of like what I was looking for on NACD, with, you know, basically a huge sell-off and then a volume break here with a nice perk up. That one didn't pan out as well. SNDL was similar to this. Nice sell-off, and then we had a nice perk with volume. I held this one overnight and made about $10,000 on a nice gap. SNDL, I'm still watching. If we get a third red day, I'll probably end up watching it into tomorrow. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Mic check, mic check. Not that many people live today, but I'm sure it's because I'm coming on at a different time, and just the election's crazy right now. Okay. But anyways, There's that, guys. SNDL, I'm watching it tomorrow. Qualcomm, let's see where we're at on that one. So having a nice sell-off on Qualcomm here. Nice little, what I call, a retest to the highs. I think 148.37 has got to be the near-term top. Maybe it is the top and even into tomorrow. I mean, I want to hold this swing trade short overnight, but I'm not going to. There we go. We're finally in the green on Qualcomm short here. Where is it here? So you can see the Qualcomm short here. Let's see. Yeah, so you can see my short there on Qualcomm. Definitely a nice short. Qualcomm right there. Short 1,612 shares at 146.13. I actually shorted it, covered it up for a nice $400 gain, and then reshorted it into the pops. Obviously, I would have wished that I reshorted it higher. I mean, I wish that I would have, maybe like 147. I still like where I'm at on the short, though. You know, I've been down as much as $3,000 on that short. But I'm looking for a 144 cover-up. I like my risk-reward there. If it breaks through the highs, so be it. I gave it a shot, but I like that kind of trade. This is the kind of trade that I put on size with later in my career when I get to my, upper 20s, low 30s. I want to be able to put on size on these type plays. When I start trading with, 10, 15, $20 million accounts, I want to make sure that I can trade with size and have enough liquidity and get an understanding of these small caps, blue chips. I'm preparing myself for my future self. But right now, obviously, I'm still in small caps. I love mid caps. I'll probably never stop trading small caps because there are big opportunities in small caps, even when with a big account size. Low float stocks like APVO, there's awesome opportunities in there. Things of that nature. So that's basically it today, guys. Just looking for Qualcomm to kind of break down here. We're finally starting to lose some volume on Qualcomm. We're finally starting to come on down a little bit with Qualcomm. Diego the Bull, awesome trading day for you, man. I'm proud of you. I really am. So yeah, that's how my trading day went. That's how, I'm watching this tomorrow, DNK. I'm watching Qualcomm short. I'm watching the markets. PCG continue to hold that as one of my biggest longer term positions. General Electric, I have a longer term position at where is it? It's about 620 average. We broke through $8 today, which was awesome. Been waiting for that thing to break through $8. We finally got it. So, and that's my second biggest position in my longer term portfolio. PCG is my biggest position. I have like a 920 average on that one. Qualcomm looks to be fading here. I'd like to cover under 144 on Qualcomm, so I'm just going to let it kind of simmer out for a second. But yeah, other than that, Intel, it's one of my bigger positions as well, but Boeing, I'm gonna keep accumulating to potentially be my biggest position in my portfolio. It's kind of my goal. We'll see though. Other than that, guys, I want you guys to trade safe out there. Hopefully, you guys got something from today's stream. Hopefully, you guys got an understanding of what I traded today. You guys can go back and look through all my trades if you need to. As always, guys, subscribe. My phone just died on TikTok. Sorry about that, guys, on TikTok. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? Cheers, team, and go Hawks.